In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in HP NY6010E printer. Now first we have to open the ink chamber. So lift it from this side, hold the printer with the other hand, it will just hold itself. Now go to the ink chamber that's here. Now open this lock and take the ink cartridge out. Now take your new ink cartridge and take it out of the plastic packaging. But remove the seal. Now place the ink cartridge here like this under this lock and then lock it. So it will adjust it itself. Place it under it and then lock it. Now press this down until it's completely. So just remove your fingers, don't let them to come in between. Your printer may print a alignment sheet and then you have to do the alignment and it's ready to use. Thanks for watching.